Open the Compass Navigator software on your desktop after installing and use your certified credentials to log in. The software takes a moment to open, and if it is your first time opening Compass Navigator on your PC, it takes especially long because it's going to be linking to all of our high-resolution images. This is a modular 2.0 project. We enter the desired file name, or we go ahead and browse first to choose the desired location. In this case, I'm using my desktop, and we give a project name. This is something that the customer will never see, just the name for the file. However, we now go to the titles and images button there, where we have the project title, which is the headline on the home page there, and we can choose our desired image. All of the images from the demo projects are provided. So now it brings us to the programming tab, where we will work from left to right, beginning with setting up controllers. Here we're entering adding a controller to the system. We choose iPad from the drop-down. We could provide a name, and we could add a device ID from the iPad if needed, or we could leave it blank. We are choosing a CX800 as our master controller, which we press Add Master Controller to add it. And lastly, after already having collected our Lutron repeater from the repeater, we've collected the file, we're able to add that in. We do have additional resources for how to add the Lutron XML report. So that brings us to adding modules. Now we're adding devices into the system which we're controlling. So we've added the Epson projector from RS-232 and the key digital amplifier. We're now advancing to TCP/IP modules, where we add anything controlled over IP, including the Apple TV. The clear one, just choosing the brand name, selecting the model, and pressing Add Device. We head on down to life size, where we see the icon video conferencing unit. And the key digital switcher is another TCP/IP controlled device. Now there are some devices that are not controlled in our system, the laptops. And for that, here in IR, we do have what we call empty devices. So we've chosen empty and then laptop, and we add two of those in for our two video sources, which brings us to add scenarios.